The following message is a special weather statement sent out by the National Weather Service. A thunderstorm was spotted in the Sweetwater area, which is about 40 miles away from Abilene. This dangerous thunderstorm is heading toward Abilene, Texas at about 25 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Hazards: lightning, damaging winds, and possible strong hail could impact structures or vehicles. Stay away from any metal objects and stay indoors. This dangerous storm is expected to hit Trent at around 9:30 p.m., Merkel at about 9:45 p.m., and Abilene at around 10:30 p.m.